Got Eddie Kings over here.
Yeah,
Ayodeji.
Hi.
So it's Sunday and it's really hot out here. Going off to Lagma Beach to cover some body artworks for Joe Abdallah. We are kind of late, so let's go join the party. Ready to make some magic?
Yeah, that's what we're about.
Bad guy. Guy, this place is freaking hot.
It's hot, man.
It's freaking hot, yo.
Get my NG on point. So we're live at the Lagma Beach right now and it's extremely hot. Like really hot. We've got the second shooter today in the name of Eddie Kings. Check him out. Bad guy. You know. Mr. Justin.
Yeah. What's
Mr.
up,
Justin. What's
up?
How you doing, man?
I'm good. They're waiting for us already. Yep.
Whoa, they're waiting for us.
So the team is complete, yeah?
We're complete now.
They just told me he went for a book. So the lady that was supposed to go with him, she was waiting for us, so she didn't go with him instead.
Okay.
So
Yeah, sorry lady. If you can see this, sorry. Yeah, this is the finest beach in Lagos.
The whole of Lagos, it's like a premium beach, yeah?
Yeah,
When
once.
it's a premium beach.
First time I was there,
Classes is out there.
I know me and Edwin were the ones that came here the first time, right? And we created magic. Remember?
Oh my lord,
Remember?
please let's talk about stuff.
Yeah, you all slide me.
So let's create magic number 2 this
Slice.
time. I'm including Justin.
More magic, more fun.
So we're about to enter. Let's go.
This is my first time in this beach. I've never been here, and it looks like heaven. That's some Bazzy shit right there.
Bazzy, man.
You and I, we're always on the edge. We fight and make love at the same time. Would you break up just because I told you what I did last night? I recall the times you said you're sorry. I'm still not sure if you told lies.
These earrings I'm wearing, I got these in 2010.
2010.
Yes, I got these in 2010.
Wow, so that's 9
Wait,
years.
9 years.
Yes, 2010. Yes.
Forever and ever, amen.
So we've got an OAP in the house.
What experience like
Really? Really? In Nigeria? Being an OAP in Nigeria is not easy. But we make it work, we make it happen. But right now, I'm on Wake Up Nigeria, 6 till 9 a.m. Monday through Friday. So I have a lot of airtime.
Alright,
every day.
so if you've never heard of Wake Up Nigeria, it's time to go check it out. Okay, so we have a very cool OAP there now. An OAP who is suddenly friends of Shot by Chuka. So you all go check it out. You all check it out. Have your time, calm down and listen to her. She has an amazing voice. And she does.
Google me.
Boat cruise.
Yep.
Boat cruise. Lego. Digital IS turned on so I could get more stable shots. Even though it's going to be cropped in a little bit more. I'm exhausted.
I'm out of the office.
Yeah, out.
Esa chica quiere selfie, selfie, ella quiere ver. Pa' que el CP se dé cuenta que aquí perdió esa mujer. Lo que quiere es enloquecer.
This is the life.
Esa chica quiere selfie, selfie, que yo parezca en él. Como que ella quiere disfruta la noche, lo anormal. Porque el novio teme que su relación va a terminar. Se da cuenta que no necesita a alguien más. Quiere un selfie para su Instagram. Ella ya no quiere relación, alguien que diga su condición, que solamente le dé traición.
Can you not see this?
Why are you doing this?
Can you not see this? It is, right? I thought it was like a key holder.
I thought it was just something cute.
That's the plan. That's the plan. That's the plan.
Wait. From today, I'm no longer calling this a shotgun mic. This is a key holder here.
A key holder, right?
Key holder right
That's
here.
nice. Mike in disguise. What's up, guys? Do you remember the Magic Girl shot here? Do you remember it? Now that's it. Another magic coming through right now. Switch over to my right hand good lens so you guys can have a better view of what's going on over here. Let's go. Alright guys, what's good?
Hey, how far now? Hey. How far now? How you doing now?
What's good, bro? Bad guy. Eddie Kings. What's good, Eddie Kings? Damola.
What's good, bro?
Guy.
How you doing, bro?
What's up?
Awesome.
We've created magic one more time, you know.
Created magic one more time, right? One last time. can't come to Sport Restaurant without having one of the burgers. You can't leave here without having one of the burgers, man. This Sport Burger. Milkshake. All said and done?
Yep.
You know.
Alright, I'm on. Thanks for having me.
Yeah, thanks, man.
Bad guy. Bad guy. Safe, man. Okay guys, so the vlog has come to an end. Thank you guys for watching. Kindly subscribe, turn on post notifications if you haven't already. Like, comment, share. We'll see you again next week for another tutorial or vlog that was shot by Chuka. Lego. Number one rule after you finish your shoot, make a backup of your backup of your backup. Let's go.